C518DW milling machine. Different material processing guide. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic operation of the C518DW dry and wet milling machine, from interface navigation to material loading and file processing. First, interface overview. When the machine starts, you will see the main interface. At the top of the screen, Tools. Here you can check the tool list and tool life. Manual. Enter this page to move each axis manually. Loading. Open the file management page to import NC files. You can insert a USB flash drive or transfer files online through the network. On the right side, the information panel shows the current file name, material disk number, tool number, spindle speed, and milling status. On the left side, you will find the coordinate information of each axis. At the bottom, you have the main operation buttons: breakpoint, resume, start, pause, reset, and home. Tap top set to check the machine status. If there are no alarms displayed, the system is working normally. Now, let's open the milling chamber. Here you can see the tool magazine, which holds up to 18 tools. Next to it is the universal clamp, which supports 3 types of holders: the disc holder for Zirconia, PMMA, and titanium, the pre-mill abutment holder, the glass ceramic block holder. Different materials require different tools, so always make sure the tools match the material you are going to mill. Installing the material. Let's prepare the material. For Zirconia, PMMA, or titanium, place the disc into the disc holder. Adjust the bottom plate and tighten the screws. For pre-mill abutment, insert the pre-mill abutment into its special holder and secure it with screws. For glass ceramic blocks, fix the block into the glass ceramic holder. Tighten the screws and place the holder into the clamp. Make sure every holder is firmly secured before milling. Loading the NC file. Insert the USB drive containing your NC file. Tap loading, then refresh. Select the file and loading. After loading successfully, you will see the file name displayed in the information panel. Before starting the machining, double check. Material is correctly installed. The correct set of burrs is placed. The clamp and holder are secured. No warning messages appear on the screen. Only when everything is confirmed should you proceed. Now everything is ready. Tap Start to begin milling. The machine will automatically pick up the corresponding tools and complete the milling process step by step. For more tutorials, support, or machine upgrades, feel free to contact us.